Take a look at this cruiser, unique, especially in classics. I don't get to do a video on one of these every day. 1966 Buick LeSabre Custom 2-door hardtop coupe. Riding on the spoked wheels, white wall tires. Underneath the hood, era correct 340 V8 that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome grille, headlight surrounds. Front end looks good. Paint code in this car, W, originally a silver mist car. 421 would be the trim code, blue interior. So very similar to when it was produced in 1966. Now, as far as the paint goes, the clear, there are some specs and some imperfections in it, but overall, it's one get in, drive it, have some fun, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. It still shows well. It's going to turn some heads. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Go down the passenger side of this car. Let you take a look at those long body panels. Blue vinyl bench seat shifter on the column. If you noticed up here, FYI, capped for the posts that come out for the windshield wipers, but guess what? Windshield wipers work fine, and the windshield wiper arms and blades will be in the trunk. Just a hot rod thing. You want to put them on, that is fine. Dual exhaust coming out of that 340. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the chrome in the rear of this, nice shape. Look at that for a rear profile shot. Like I said, just a cool cruiser. Once again, still pictures. See this car from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Miles on this are believed to be original, according to the previous owner, just shy of 62,000. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm or deny that. Once the car is so old, the miles are not recorded on the title anymore. But just want to pass that along. And it does appear that this interior could be original on it. Again, it is the original color. Very original looking dash. There'll be pictures in the still pictures with and without the floor mat, so you can see the carpeting underneath that. Headliner intact, all in good shape. Alright, let's go ahead. Slip up here, let's fire this up, so here it run. One of my favorite things on here, if you're familiar with what that is, you can set an alarm at a certain speed, so if you put it right there and you started going 65 mile an hour, it's going to buzz and let you know that you're going a little too fast maybe. Oh, this one sounds good. AC, again right here, you turn on to normal there, turn the fan on, you can hear that blow, and again it is blowing cold. It does not take long for it to get cool or cold either. Radio, I have not had the radio power up for me. As you can see, the little interior light does work. We're turning that AC back off. Take a look at the top of the dash. Listen to that. This one sounds good. Alright, let me slip around to the back. That was a cold start too, so we're going to have a choke on a little bit, so we're going to have a little higher idle, but I'll get the idle down and let you hear it run with the regular idle on. Nice little rumble coming out of that 340. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second, let it warm up here a second. That idle will come down, we'll check out the engine bay, wrap up this video.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, warmed up, choke kicked off. There it is, 340. Again, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Again, a little rumble coming out of that exhaust. Nice sounding car, good look to it. See the compressor. Of course, that 375 that you see on top of the air cleaner, that would be pound-feet of torque, not the size of the engine. FYI, it is a 340. According to the casting number on the block, 1966 Buick LeSabre Custom 2-door hardtop coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.